Let's go through doing exercise 1. So I've got the Blackboard on the assignments page, and I've got exercise 1 here. I can see that the title is linked, but what I want to do first is I want to right click on the attached file and do a save as. And I've got a file set up for all of these documents. I'm just going to name the file according to the assignment requirements and the style guide requirements. So I'll just call it Test Student Exercise 1. Download it. And there it opens up. And I'm just going to view that as one page. And then I'll zoom in. Oh, I guess it's going to go to 2 pages. Okay, all right. So at any rate, what we're looking at here is this empty document. I have turned on the, I click on the home ribbon, show pilgrims, so I can see where the paragraphs are. Each one of these markers indicates an end of a paragraph. So all I need to do is simply type. I don't know if it's going to show up on the screen, but I have my version of Word set up. I've customized the quick command toolbar, so I have certain things such as the style that shows up, so that when I click on the paragraph, I can look up in the quick command toolbar and see that yes, this is a subtitle, this is body text. At any rate, all you have to do is answer the questions on this assignment. You don't need to do any formatting. In fact, I will deduct points if you change the formatting, because one of the things I want you to get used to is this idea is that you're writing as a member of a group. So you can't just decide, oh, I don't like the way this document looks, I want mine to look different. No, I want you to think of yourself as one of 36 authors who is submitting say a chapter or section in a larger document. And if each one of you decides that you want to format in a different way, then I, the editor, now have to change all of those individual choices in order to have a coherent style for the whole document. So yeah, avoid making formatting changes simply because you don't like the way something looks. So answer the simplest way you can, and I recommend first person, active voice first person. So how are you to apply document formatting? I must apply formatting using the styles required by the English 202 style guide. Now, if you're an accomplished writer and you want to, use a third person or second person, that's fine. But if you have any doubts at all about your writing ability, I would stick with first person active voice. So in other words, you don't want to write something like styles must be applied using, or formatting must be applied using styles. That would be the passive voice because there's no character. Try to be crisp, concise, and clear. So I'm going to save that document. I'm not finished with this one, of course. Close it. And then I'm going to click on the name of the assignment. And that brings up a window here where I could write a submission, but that's not going to work because you need to submit things in Word format. So I'm going to browse my computer, go find the file, click on it. It has been added. Sometimes people want to add comments. I usually don't look at those, but if you want to add some comment to the submission, that's fine. I click submit, and I get a preview of the document. And if I go over to my grades now, I will see that the exercise has been submitted and it needs grading.